I want to share with our viewers, recent news coverage has been dominated by the two mass vaccination sites that are being stood up by Hawaii Pacific Health and Queens Medical Center in partnership with the state that is helping to fund the locations at Pier 2 and Blaisdell Center on Oahu. But in addition to these sites, since late December, smaller hospitals across the state and on different islands have been serving as, quote, points of distribution or pods. So last week, I had the opportunity to join one of my newest colleagues, Representative Lisa Marten at Kailua at Adventist Health Castle, where they have been able to vaccinate their employees, healthcare workers on the Windward Coast, the 1As section, and thousands of Windward residents. If we could spotlight Adventist Health Castle.
I'm here with Ryan Ashlock, who is from Adventist Health Castle, and they are doing a major COVID vaccination hub, running it here, and have vaccinated over 1,000 people today alone, which is really awesome. So I just thought I'd ask Ryan how things are going and what some of the, the growing pains have been, what you've learned, how to make it run smoothly.
Yeah, overall it's gone really well. We have an amazing team here at Adventist Health Castle that has done an outstanding job in setting this up as quickly as they have. We started on December 21st was when we had our first shot in arm, and to date we've done 2,500 individuals. But overall the community response has been really well received, and everybody's been very thankful to be able to get their vaccine here at Castle. There's been some people working behind the scenes for some really long hours over the Christmas holiday, over the New Year's holiday, and they've done a fantastic job to be able to serve our community.
Okay, so I know that you started with, healthcare workers. My mom actually got vaccinated here as a healthcare provider, and now you've moved on to other groups. How, as their turn comes up, how do people register? How do they get their appointment to get vaccinated?
Yeah, so the place that everybody needs to go to is castlehealthgrouphawaii.com, and there on that website there'll be directions on how to sign up and get registered. As we look at those that were still in the prioritized groups, there is a validation process that exists. You actually fill out a form, and there's a team on the back end that is validating that you're in the respective groups that we're at this current time. Once you've been validated, then a scheduling link will be provided to you. We certainly encourage individuals to work with another family member, a friend, to be able to help them navigate the online scheduling. We also have a number that people can call, which is 808-263-5002, and somebody will be there to be able to help them with any questions they have, or even the ability to schedule over the phone for them. We have put in lots of protocols all throughout this pandemic here at Castle to ensure the safety for our community, for our patients, for our associates, and that's no different with our vaccine clinic. We have appointment times that are spread out appropriately to respect social distancing, and even as you get into the clinic, all the chairs are appropriately spaced out and then sanitized between each use to keep everyone safe.
Awesome. Well, I certainly appreciate that. I appreciate the testing you've done here. I've taken the test twice in the drive-in system. I know you've also helped. I've been involved with some feeding programs for the homeless in Maimanalo. You folks have helped us there as well. So I just appreciate the way that you have embraced the community during this pandemic to help in so many different ways. Our
community's been so supportive, whether it's been goodies for our frontline workers or just understanding of some of the new protocols.
Okay, well hopefully we'll work through this and you'll lose this particular job.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah, we look forward to taking the mask off and getting back to some normal operations, that's for sure.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Lisa.
It was so great to get out to Windward, Oahu, to be able to see what hospitals are doing regionally to meet the needs of their communities. As representatives, we focus a lot on the state's efforts as well as initiatives in our own districts, but it's fascinating to really get out there and understand the state's approach from a statewide standpoint.